Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Light pink color, sky blue color, black color, orange color, dark brown color, silver color, red color, yellow color, purple color, green color, light brown color. Now let's draw some shapes. Triangle, circle,
cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo
heart,
moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little
Star.
red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo.
pentagon,
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off
square,
to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner.
now let's color. Orange color,
Skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo,
orange color,
skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly
blue
shoe.
color,
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
blue color,
Skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
red color,
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
red color,
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo,
violet color,
my loo, my darling.
violet color, star,
Cows in the pasture, moo
violet color,
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my
yellow color,
loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue, little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my
light pink color,
loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo.
light pink color,
Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
now let's learn again shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Now let's learn colors. Orange color, dark blue color, red color, violet color, yellow color, light pink color. Okay kids, take care. See you again.